Out of the Dark show. My name's Steve Barraclough, always also known as BNW, Big Nowhere. And here is a collection of works spanning over the last 6 years to show different styles, changes, what I've learned, how I've progressed.
So tell us about these signs, you know, about the triangles.
This
is the philosophy of these paintings.
This is a 5-piece set, and it's connected with the lesser ritual of the pentagram, where you would perform the ritual before going into further magical practices. And this triangle represents Earth. And the painting on it is just came from my idea of Earth and how I view it. I didn't really explain it through the colours or the imagery. It does, some people it looks somewhat like a prism, bars. That's the representation of Earth, which then moves on to the next picture, which is the opposite of Earth. There is a hidden message that was actually written. It was actually written into that whilst it was still wet, and it was stream of conscious, just as I was doing it. And I can't really remember the exact words that I wrote. I know it's just something that was coming out, what I was thinking at the time, which is similar to sigil making, where you're supposed to create the sigil and then just in your subconscious you remember what it actually means, where you can work on projecting what it is you want to do. What it is you want to create, what it is you want to make.
I see. Okay, so may I ask you to speak a bit louder, please?
Now we move on. Number 3 is spirit, which is the spirit of man, and so it's different for everybody individual, whatever's inside you. Your image is different for every person. People see you differently. People see you differently from how you see yourself. And so a lot of this is just how I try to portray myself and my view of the world, whether it's a view of a world that's dystopian or utopian. I kind of look at it in both ways. A world that's to be loved and hated with equal amounts.
See?
Here we have number 4, which is water. So this is the sign that I chose for water. This is the image that I had for water, which, you know, to look at it, you'd think it's quite polluted. And as a general rule of man, we are better at polluting than we are at cleaning. So there's my water, and finally is fire. Fire being the opposing element to water. And the fire is actually my favourite of the 5 pieces. Fire and earth are the 2 that I like the most. And they're the ones that came most easy to me, the ones that came the quickest to do. And I love the texture of this underneath. There's just so much underneath here. The fire being moving through universal. And so you've seen around here pieces from the last 6 years of my life. And changes in me. Most of these pieces I actually painted, and I don't have too much memory of it, due to drug addiction, chronic alcoholism, extreme pain, take your pick, all 3 preferably. And it's really put me where I'm at now, and all the shit that's happened in the past, everything that's happened in the past 25, 26 years A lot of it not so good, a lot of it a hell of a lot of fun. But if I'd have avoided much of it, I would be in a far better physical condition than I am now. But I have to say, if it wasn't for the way I lived, I would not be where I am now, and I would not have done one of these paintings. And so I'm very happy with where I am at the moment. I'm very happy with it. The life I've led has brought me to this point. I'm pretty pleased with myself. I'm not smug, but I'm pretty pleased with myself.
Thank you very much.